In this video, you will learn how to fix the problem of not being able to add or remove email accounts on your iPhone. Many users face issues when trying to delete their mail accounts under the Mail app. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I will guide you through a few simple steps to solve this issue. First things first, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time to access its features. Now, scroll down a bit more until you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll see a section called Allow Changes to. Look for accounts in this list and tap on it. If this setting is currently set to Don't Allow, that's likely the reason behind your inability to add or remove email accounts. To resolve this issue, simply change the setting from Don't Allow to Allow. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode to confirm this change. You should now be able to add or remove email accounts without any issues. If problems persist, consider restarting your device or checking for any software updates. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.